Starting off the morning, it's very nice and mild. We're going to be seeing active weather for our area today. Already seeing some active weather even in the Atlantic. The hurricane season is still continuing on. We are tracking Tropical Storm Sebastian. That's more off to the eastern Atlantic side, really not going to make an impact for us. Yesterday, they actually had projected that we would see it become Category 1 status. Not looking like that. It's just becoming faster, not more intense. So our chances of rain this morning are going to increase, but as we head into the evening, we should see them taper on down. But then we have another increase as we head into our Saturday. Looks like we're really holding on to the rain chances for the majority of the day tomorrow. Widespread showers, all because of this cold front slices through us this morning. It looks to try to move out of the area, sags to the south, but then we have another low pressure system off to our south. That's going to funnel in even more rain showers for us tomorrow. Here's a look at that system right now on live satellite and radar. We do see, as we zoom in a little bit, more heavier rain off to the west, so we are going to have some heavier downpours try to come into play as we head more into the morning time frames. Showers becoming more and more widespread as we continue on into the morning. So for that morning commute, definitely need the rain gear. As we head more in the later afternoon, we should see showers try to taper off a little bit. One thing we're holding on to this morning, along with the rain coming on through, is gusty winds. We are seeing 25, even upwards to 30 miles per hour for some spots. Afternoon, though, after this cold front passes through, drags a little more to the south, we will see them calm down just a little bit. Winds are going to shift, though, coming out of the north and the west. That's going to allow us to actually be having a cooler morning tomorrow than what we're seeing this morning. I mean, right now, very mild. Joshua's loving it. Temperatures in the 50s. We do have a few areas, though, starting us off into the 40s. But other than that, much warmer than what we have seen. Not going to warm up too much, though, today. We're going to basically keep temperatures pretty stagnant throughout the day. Should be only into the lower 50s, upper 40s for a few spots. We will be continuing, though, to have showers come on through the afternoon, but we do see they become less and less in coverage, more scattered in nature. Best chance to have that widespread rain is going to be this morning. We have a 90% chance of coverage with those showers. So we see it here on Futurecast covering the majority of the viewing area. A few heavier downpours at times this morning, becoming lighter in nature as we head more into the later afternoon. By this evening, we should be mostly dry over top of the area, still holding on to the cloud cover. Overnight, those winds change gears, giving us a little bit of some cooler temperatures to funnel into the area, back into the 30s for most of us in the lower 40s. A little bit of rain, though, is geared to our south. That's going to pull on through as we head into Saturday, mainly into the later morning and the afternoon. Some areas could see it earlier Saturday morning, especially our southern counties. They'll see the rain first, then it's going to trickle on up to the north and the east. Still staying widespread over us, still having heavier downpours at some times tomorrow. Looks like we are going to have a good amount of rainfall come on through today and throughout tomorrow. So far, rainfall totals are picking up half an inch, even upwards to an inch in some spots. And with that in mind, we are going to have this system pass through. Cold air still coming in behind this system. That's going to allow us to have a transition with any leftover moisture from rain on over into some snowfall. Snow accumulation, though, very light. We could only see a dusting and even an inch in the higher elevations, so not a big snowstorm by any means. Looks like we should dry out the early portions of next week. Still keeping our eye on Thanksgiving. So far, it looks like we're going to be mostly dry.